Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Chat on phone. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to basically install the application. So just open up the Play Store on your Android phone, and you can open up the App Store if you are on iOS and type here Google Chat, and you need to basically download and install this Google Chat application. And once it is downloaded, just tap on open and it will open up the Google Chat application. So the first thing that you need to do, that you make sure that you are signed in with your Gmail account. So if you are signed in your Android phone with your Gmail account, then this Google Chat application will automatically sign you in with your Gmail account. Okay, so right now as you can see that I have signed in, then you can see this kind of interface here. And to start a new chat, basically you will just click on this new chat option at the bottom right of the screen. Then it says create a space, browse a space. Browse a space means that you can basically browse some spaces and you can basically join them. And message request, if someone actually messaged you on Google Chat, then the message will not be directly shown to you. It should be appear in messages request page, and you will open up this page and that message request will be shown here. So I will just create on this new space here, and I will just tap it a name friends. Let's guess here. And from here you can basically upload or add an emoji. So I will just add this emoji and tap on next here, and then you can basically search for people. Okay, and you can also do this later. So I will just tap on skip, and now you can see that our chat space has been created. Now here are multiple things that you can do. If you want, you can basically invite people from here, you can share a file from the drive here, or you can assign some persons a task. Okay, so I will just invite some of my friends here. So I will just invite, and you can basically invite them if you know their Gmail account. Okay, so I will just invite this one, NA reactions 00. This is a Gmail account. So I will just tap on this one, and then I will just tap on done here, and then an invitation will be sent to this person, and this person will join my chat here. Okay, so that's basically is a little tutorial on how you can basically use the Google Chat on your phone. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.